Lama lagi ni. BB cream. Same step. Brush. Dab. Brush pakai. Sekarang facial. Sekarang serum product dan sunscreen product bayar thamai tu. Pore, ke moisturize khai ma pore sih ni okul dia. Otherwise, ni dry skin yang kili pun kat patching mai. Even oily skin berkhai bata, sai lo bata. तेरा मिलने के बाद pore concealer inside HD concealer. I think almost 6 shade wo tong na. Same brush. Now blush. Nabili ni mesmerizing magenta, baby pink. Blush skip kami yang because it's my favorite part. And pare eyebrow ni bang yung mo fe mo free and equal fe brows and lashes. Mo lash primer hai ko work hai. No na eyebrow भी use kai ma wo के lashes वो भी use kai. No makeup look hai ki no use kai. And then that's my eyebrow fill kai mi ko use kai. No use kai wei rang bai pare ki na mascara full na murko. Then you are done with your brows. Maybelline Kills Sensational Luscious. I think India wo Maya because ang buy pero kailang masih ko buy guri pro. Lipstick khadega Mars 02. Ang overline kaya because ang lips high na party na. Ang face shape kaya si only eyebrows is kaya be clear. Amo kena inside non-transfer. Amo ke inside makeup essential non-transfer liquid lipstick in the shade walnut B5. Ang ani first ever nude lipstick ang chajak mani. I think ang hai paijaga kiriway ang stock khaijak te kai nei stock. Hai ken I think te kai thasi mai na bai ke counting 4. Ang makeup collection lipstick khai pro ang home. Isa dry hani bang mo mane lip balm khoi apply ke otherwise tang le ba nai chai ko. Asal tang sa ba long lasting ya but nang tang sa chai ka tong kem sa chai mo ka tong mai. Then lip gloss inside volume lip gloss makeup essential 01 shade wo. I think clear lip gloss bono si ang lipstick mix kai high color kai ni no mix kai so that I get perfect. Yeah. Tapos I blush ra hama. Kita mau try ko mascara Mars ni high top mascara. angomno eyebrow pull manai thumro mascara no no tam eyebrow pull maya because kashi ko shulka liquid ma tongo kashi shubri thick ma tongo nai to kyang among ke thick formula thick ya mane thick thak formula bo man na beshi liquid na beshi crack जो मो eyebrows निबांग ठीक नहीं because ang lash primer product ब्रांड के कहाँ के apply now what compact because I'm oily girl so essence बनाना पड़ रहा भाई भाई यानी बाइसर बोलो नहीं कुछ नहीं cannot waste the kind of like that to secure the setting spray use कर लिया ओके asal ini bang के और ani baru mau tip mas aku main change because ang eyeliner rokto ya ke eyeliner aku full nama aku eyeliner so juga ada makanya maskara kalau dipakai tahu kasih lupa pokoknya tinggal gitu itu makeup pulang deh makeup pulang nih urban mop ni nang slick hair kake this is very useful for you this will be very useful for you monet passport 50 rupees ke painte ni Guwahati ho so that I can carry anywhere temptation ni powder smell strong ma bohai smell explain kai ni I'm very bad ani bangsi is cooperate okay asal na ani get ready with me yang thangai highway kuno paisnai that antama paika of course ang kisa video na nai so that I can put in the video clip na nai ta kisa asal na so ang bagian financial kita bawa makeup remove kaya pore video pyrolyze nahi Blue Heaven by Face makeup remover micellar cleanser water cleansing water paraben free goodness of argan oil 125 ml क्या मो MRP ले सुझा या पकल हम सब दगला हम दे सकang ang Garnier micellar water use करने नहीं तब वो हाउ हम वो चलो वो ठीक ang tini mo sonbonos nai bu ke ang tini haiti tui pro mane mo penta ready khai tum pro khai nai tum masi I met one of my friend Don Muskunita class 10 jara baksa ka pura lai mani Pratik Chakraborty bo bai tini malai it was good as kadu pore malai bai mani I mean masa sih but it was good because asumnya ek kedag ma ba Do I look different?